Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're in a situation where you don't like what videos are showing up on your For You page, then you need to follow these steps. This is a two-step process, so make sure you follow it in the order. So go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll all the way down and find the cache and cellular data section. Here tap on clear cache. You should see this number change to 0M. Now go back to your TikTok's For You page and start scrolling through the videos. You should see new videos appear on your For You page. To make TikTok learn the algorithm about your watching habits, swipe up and like videos which you have enjoyed. Now if you come to a video which you don't want to see them, then long press on it and then select Not Interested. TikTok will now show you fewer videos of that type. And that is how to reset your For You page on your TikTok app. Hope you found this useful, and if this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.